Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about year-end accounting checklist. Let's get into the video. Today I am diving into a crucial topic for businesses of all sizes, the year-end accounting checklist. As the year comes to a close, it's essential to ensure that your financial records are in order and ready for the next fiscal year. In this video, I will break down a comprehensive year-end accounting checklist that will help you streamline the process and avoid any last-minute financial headaches. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my valuable accounting, bookkeeping, and tax insights. Now let's jump into the year-end accounting checklist. The first thing is review financial statements. The first item on your year-end accounting checklist is reviewing your financial statements. Take a deep dive into your balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. This is the foundation of your year-end accounting process as it helps you understand your financial health. Ensure all transactions are accurately recorded. Reconcile any discrepancies. Analyze trends to make informed decisions for the upcoming year. Step number 2, reconcile accounts. It's time to roll up your sleeves and reconcile your accounts. This includes bank statements, credit card statements, and any other financial records. Verify that all entries match between your records and the statements. Investigate and rectify any discrepancies. This step ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. The third thing is prepare for taxes. The tax season is just around the corner and it's crucial to be well prepared. Here's what you should do. Gather all necessary tax documents, such as W-2s, 1099s, and receipts. Consider any deductions and credits that could reduce your tax liability. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance with tax laws. The fourth thing is inventory assessment. If you deal with inventory, conducting a physical inventory count is vital for accurate financial statements. Count all physical inventory on hand. Revalue inventory based on current market conditions. Adjust your books to reflect the true value of your inventory. Next, the fifth step, review accounts payable and receivable. Managing your accounts payable and accounts payable is crucial for cash flow management. Here is what you should do. Ensure all outstanding bills and invoices are accurate and up to date. Collect any overdue payments. Strategize for managing payables and receivables in the next year. The sixth step is to review and set next year's budget. Preparing a budget for the next year is a fundamental aspect of your year-end accounting. Analyze your current year's performance to set realistic financial goals for the next year. Consider changes in your business operations and industry trends. Ensure that your budget is well documented and includes contingencies. The seventh step is closing procedures. As we approach the end of our year-end accounting checklist, there are a few closing procedures to keep in mind. Close your books for the current year. Make adjusting journal entries as necessary. Create financial statement for year-end reporting. And there you have it, a comprehensive year-end accounting checklist to ensure that your financial records are in order and ready for the upcoming year. Remember, proper year-ending accounting is not only about compliance, but also about making informed financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow business owners and finance enthusiasts. And as always, if you have questions or additional tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. I love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep those books in order. Goodbye.